Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for viewing. We're going to make a very popular spicy chicken vindaloo. 2 teaspoons of oil, 2 teaspoons of tomato puree, 1 teaspoon of garlic and ginger paste, 2 spoons of coriander, 2 teaspoons of our desi style mix powder, 5 to 7 pieces of pre-cooked chicken, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, it's just lemon dressing, half a pint of base gravy, 3 teaspoons of our chilled chili powder, which is just chili powder, any spices you can get from currybyair.com, any pre-cooked stuff here, so the pre-cooked chicken, the base gravy. There'll be a link in my description below if you're unsure how to cook the pre-cooked stuff. Thanks for viewing. Please feel free to subscribe, comment, like, ask me any questions. I've been helping a lot of people on YouTube, so I've been giving them a lot of tips, and hopefully I've made a difference to their cooking. So let's get cooking a chicken vindaloo. Right guys, we are ready to do a chicken vindaloo, a really popular spicy dish. So let's get going. A couple of teaspoons of oil. Just let that warm up a little bit, 30 seconds or so. Then you've got a teaspoon of garlic and ginger paste. Let that cook in a little bit. Let it just brown a little bit. You don't want to overcook it. You don't want to undercook it too much. And you've got a couple of teaspoons of tomato puree. Then you have lemon juice. Just a couple of teaspoons is fine. And you've got 2 teaspoons of our desi style mix powder, which you can get from currybyair.com. And then you've got 3 teaspoons of chilled chili. And then remember, when you put the spice into, just put the gas a bit lower, let it kind of cook a little bit without burning it. And then you've got pre-cooked chicken. It's been in a sauce, a thin sauce, but I've just taken it out. And just let the chicken, let the spices cook into the chicken. Then you've got your base gravy, about half a pint. You can put a little bit more, because while you cook it, it will kind of, it will go a little bit less. And then you can put your gas up, just stir it throughout. You want to make sure your chicken's nice and soft, and your sauce is cooked, bubbling, and it's nice and thick. Just wait for that to cook. And then you add a little bit of coriander. That sauce is nice and thick now. That chicken is soft, so it's ready to come down. And then just add a little bit of coriander on top for decor, and there you have it. It's a nice, simple, hot dish, a chicken vindaloo.